Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different, I think. If you're here just to watch a plain old how to root hair tutorial, this isn't the one for you, because I made mistakes. I fucked up, and I also like to talk about fuck ups because I have to always remind myself I'm not a professional. I just started doing hair only a year ago, so there's a lot more that I have to learn. But when I do make these mistakes and I waste time and money, and I fuck up, and it really brings me down. But I do love the fact that I can come on here and tell y'all what I fucked up on, how I fucked it up, and then how I fixed it, because I think that's the big part of it. It's just unrealistic to think that nobody makes mistakes and everybody just is perfect, because no, I be fucking up. And I know people look to my channel for help, but your girl is still over here fucking up. That's why my tutorials are not called tutorials, they're called watch me's, because baby, watch me kind of think I know what I'm doing when I don't be knowing what I'm doing. So with that being said, let's go ahead and explain what went wrong here. I did use a box dye, and that was just the wrong move. It only toned the hair, but you'll see that before I show the different dye that I used. And while I am upset of how it came out, I'm really proud of this technique I used. The technique got zero dye on my lace. Even the second time I dyed it, I only had one little spot because I was getting lazy. But honestly, baby, all you need is a little edge brush and just small sections and just smally, is that what I'm finna say? Y'all done try to do a written voice recording. I tried to use a script. It sounded bad. I was editing and was putting it in. It was just terrible. It just didn't sound authentic like how my videos do be sounding. So we went back to this, and I hope you don't mind it, because I don't know when I'm gonna start scripting this shit, because I just like talking. So, back to the watch me, the whatever the fuck this is, baby. I don't even know. The technique that I used, amazing. I would recommend you use that, and that's why a big portion of this video is the technique, because that is the correct way to do it. The dye, or whatever dye you choose, baby, I don't know what you should do, because honestly, I'm still finding out for myself. But I'm sure there's several tutorials on YouTube by YouTubers that are far more advanced than me that you could watch, and I might even leave some in the description box, so that you're not feeling completely lost. Because baby, if I don't got it, I'm gonna make sure you got it, and that's on period. Okay. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the process of me fucking up, and then I'll come back when I explain the second dye I used. So like I said, when I finished, that dye was nowhere near the lace, so untouched. Was really proud of myself to only rinse it out and see that it had only just toned the hair, meaning it made a little bit of silver. It made a little bit silver, and I was really fed up. So I was like, you know what? Last try. I'm gonna go to the hair store quick, get a different dye. I looked at them brown dyes for so long, and I ended up picking cinnamon. And wrong fucking answer, because cinnamon seemed too dark in the bowl. So I ended up mixing it with conditioner, hopefully make it like a lighter color. Either way, I'm not sure if that did anything, but the end result was orangey brown. And that wasn't the look I was going for, but I decided, hey, I made my fucking bed, let's lay in it, let's sleep in it, let's have a sleepover, invite you guys over to watch me do what I did. Here it is. I messed up. I hate how deep I'm talking, because this is just really just hair, but like, I be messing up, and there's another video I got on the side that I messed up in. I've just been messing up a lot, but hopefully this is motivational to somebody. I don't know how. I haven't got motivational yet, but I don't know. We make mistakes, we learn from them, we grow. If you think you know everything, how you gonna elevate? Word to Larry June. Enough of my chit chat. I'm gonna install now, and I'm using my Gotta Be gel and spray, and then after that's nice and tacky, I'm going to put the lace on it, and then use an elastic band to secure it. In the meantime, I went ahead and just sprayed my hair flat with Gotta Be spray, and I liked that because it gave it a darker like kind of look. As for this hair is from Virgo Hair. It's a 22 inch 150% density 13 by 6 613 wig. The hair is super soft. When I was flat ironing it, I didn't notice any like pieces of plastic or anything. That's always gotta note that, because sometimes I'll be seeing plastic. So that was nice, especially after a nice little deep condition and silicone mix. This hair super soft. But I would have to say it's a little bit shady, but what can you expect from, bleached hair? It's just to be expected. So not really a big con, but did want to mention. So now that I'm finished, I just want to say thank you for watching me fuck up. I know that's not what you guys really come here for, but I make mistakes sometimes, and I'm working on not being so hard on myself in real life. So I think the first step of doing that is by broadcasting it all for you to see. Hey, I be messing up sometimes. So yeah, hope you guys mess with me anyway, and hopefully as you guys continue to watch and grow with me, you can watch me, become a better stylist. Like, even in this past year, I've grown so much, and I can't wait to grow some more. So let's stop being hard on ourselves and just keep learning to keep progressing. And with that being said, bye, beautiful. I will see you in my next video.